Hello angels, it's Dr. Michelle Nielsen here, creator of Vital Angel, and I'd like to welcome you to the Vital Angel community. And I'm very excited that you've gone ahead and gotten started with your Kegel Toner. And today I'd like to just walk you through on how to get started so that you can start strengthening your pelvic floor as soon as possible. So, quick review, ladies. We want a strong pelvic floor for better bladder control, better sex, and a firmer tummy. So let's get started. Your Kegel Angel has arrived. You should have received it in this box. And if you open it up, you will see that you have your Kegel Angel, your toner, and your travel bag. So in order to get started, you're going to need a 9-volt battery, which is this square battery. I apologize that due to international shipping regulations, we were not allowed to include a battery. So go ahead and get yourself a 9-volt battery. The trick to getting the battery in, it is quite a snug fit. You want to put the back end in first, get it in there, and then click the front end with the 2 knobs down. And then you're going to close it up and turn the Kegel Angel around. And your Kegel Angel should be ready to go if you put the on button here, right here. Okay? Now, you will also be opening up the Kegel Angel probe. This is the vaginal probe, and you'll see that there are some wires to connect. So you connect these 2 wires here, the male and the female, and it's really important that you get a nice snug fit in order for it to work properly. So your Kegel Angel is connected, so you'll go ahead and take the end of the Kegel Angel cable and you will insert it in to the left side. So this one here, okay, so when I'm looking at it, the left side, and that will be where the vaginal probe goes. Now, with the screen, you'll see some information on the screen here, and what you want to pay attention here is to the program. So the next step, what you'll be doing is you'll be pressing the P, and you'll be going through, there's 11 programs. I encourage you to download the full manual from the website. It explains the 11 programs and all the different advantages that they have and all the different ways that they can help you. But we're going to start with program 9 because that's a general pelvic floor workout that's good for all types of incontinence and just strengthening your pelvic floor in general. So you'll press the P until you get to your program, and it'll display the amount of time of your program. So most of the programs are between 20 to 45 minutes. This one is 45 minutes. You will want to be using your Kegel Angel daily for the first 6 to 12 weeks. Now, a couple of things before you get started for safety. First of all, the Kegel Angel you will not be able to use while you're pregnant. You should be able to use it 6 weeks after giving birth. Please check with your doctor, with his or her, okay? 6 weeks after birth is normally when we start using the Kegel Toner. If you have an IUD, please check with your doctor. It shouldn't be a problem. You will not want to use the Kegel Angel if you have a heart pacemaker, and you will not be using your Kegel Angel in the water or near the bathtub. So that's the safety out of the way. Let's go back to getting you started. So now that you're ready to go, so you've got your power here, your program here. What you'll be doing is you will be putting a little bit of gel lubricant, water-based lubricant. It's very important in order for the probe to insert comfortably, but it's also important for the conductivity. So once you have that gel in, you will insert the probe into your vagina. Now, the most comfortable position is going to be on your back with your knees bent. However, as you get more comfortable, you'll find that you'll be able to use this time. You can use it on the sofa to watch TV. You can be sitting up, working on your computer, returning emails, lying in bed meditating, chatting with your friends. So you can use the time as me time while the Kegel Angel is working for you. Okay, so once we insert that into our vagina, what we're going to do is we're going to press this left button here, the positive button, until this number here reaches 30. Most women start with 30. That's milliamps, that's the strength. So you will feel just a gentle impulse and you'll start to feel your muscles contract. It can feel a little strange at first. Don't worry, it's very comfortable. But the good news is that you will know that the Kegel Angel is doing your job. And then after that, all you have to do is just relax and let the Kegel Angel do all the work for you. Literally, this is an amazing device for you to own, because it's going to do all the work for you in that 20-45 minutes, giving the exact pelvic muscles a very strong, concise, and effective workout. When the program is finished, it will turn off by itself, and that's it. That's the end of your session. Take this into the bathroom, wash off gently with soap, wrap everything up, and put it in your travel bag. And that's it, ladies. So we're very excited for you to get started. There are a lot of resources online. For more information, please join our Vital Angel community on Facebook. We're here to answer your questions, and we're also really excited to hear your progress.